I really love about coming home is it's a good reminder of what you do and why you do it, you know, and it's a reminder of all the good decisions you've made in life, and probably one of the biggest ones that I made was when I decided to come work in real estate full time. You know, it gave me the freedom and financial stability to really change my life, and here's a really good reminder. It's a great neighborhood. It's a nice private community. I'm in here in the heart of Southern California. I'm in a great neighborhood. Property values are stable. My kids go to a great school and they're getting great education. I don't have to worry about crime or anything else like that. We live in a big home. There's plenty of room. We have everything we need. And those are the things that remind you, you know, they reinforce the good decisions you made and why you did what you did and why you should continue doing what you're doing, you know? My name is Joe Perez, and I'm over here in bright sunny Southern California, and this is the first part of a little mini-series where I'm going to show you guys how to become a real estate investor with just $5,000 to start with. And that's right, it's not a game, it's not a ploy, it's not a trick. I'm not trying to bait you to buy something. Pure and simple, I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to show it to you for free, and you decide if it makes sense. And I promise you that if you employ what I teach you, it will make sense because it worked for me, okay? And when I say me, well, who is me? I've been involved in real estate for over 20 years now. I've personally been involved in over 1,000 real estate transactions. I own millions in real estate. I've made as little as $7,500 on deals, and I've made as much as over $1 million on deals. So let me share a story with you guys. Let me tell you about my first deal. Let me tell you about that special love in my life. We all have different loves, and one of my first loves was my first deal. So it was going to be special. So I think I'm 22 or something, okay? Wasn't the most responsible person at that age. Maybe I spent a little bit too much time sometimes chasing girls and having fun and wasn't as responsible as I should have been. So what happened? It's like everything else in life. You pay for it, and I didn't have the best credit. I had a few credit cards, and a few of them were just straight credit card with a very small limit, meaning that it was just, you know, credit. But other ones were partially secured. And what does that mean? It means that, for example, for every $100 I actually sent them as a deposit, they granted me $200 worth of credit, okay? So add up the math. I didn't have a lot of credit. It's not like nowadays where, you know, you can get approved for a credit card 5, 10, 15, 20,000 more, you know, American Express Platinum and all that. This is different, right? But I knew I wanted something else. And I came across a deal. I came across a fixer, and I didn't have a lot. So you know what I did? With great risk comes great reward. Well, I decided I was gonna risk it all, which in those days to me it meant a lot. I maxed out every one of my credit cards. I maxed it out completely. And I think in total, I might have been into that deal for maybe about $5,200. But I pulled it off. I pulled it off, and what I ended up making on that deal, I got my $5,200 back, and I made about $7,400, $7,500 profit. Wait, you're not gonna be rich overnight, but it's a start. Everything in life is a start. You have to crawl before you walk. Well, I crawled, and I learned a lot. And you guys are so lucky. You really are, and I'll tell you why. Because I did this deal, what I call BI, before internet. I didn't have anybody to teach me. I couldn't Google or get on YouTube and watch somebody like what I'm doing for you guys. So I had to fall down a bit. As a matter of fact, I fell down quite a bit and learned to get up and learn on my own through trial and error, which made me stronger. I mean, let's face it, what kind of a captain do you want on your ship, right? A captain who's only sailed through calm waters, or a captain who's gone through stormy waters, right? So lucky for me, you know, I was able to get back up and learn, okay? But the point is that you guys are really, really lucky, because right now you have people like me who's gonna show you. But first thing you gotta do is you gotta have the attitude that I want you to be open. No more, this is BS, this can't be true, he's trying to get me with something. No, the first thing that you have to defeat is your mind. Open your mind. So you guys, get excited, remember who I am, follow up, watch the video, and get ready to have a life-changing experience, okay? Thank you very much.